saying na fan. Saying na fan as the memuni saying na fan saying krana ususu fan I bring back krana about him when it comes to the said video. You watch your video now. Are you ready? Okay. Yenti.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it. When we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize MDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. MDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize MDC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the right thing for the country. I will end here. You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it. When we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize MDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman.
Okay. So, as I know, crazy interesting, mommy. Now, this is Kennedy or in Japan, and I'm sure the Kennedy I know Abia or Canada ni aid na nkofo ni omudam no. There be person signal no. Enti nibano ya no bone ni chire no. And the Kennedy that you know when it's on heat, you more than no. To your catcher says, Jaiso obo any prepare. Stop blinking your eye. But what I've been asking myself, say, one, I've been telling myself, and say, one, you hear Obia, Obeka true to pa, say a you, and you, say odifu, say onifu. Hwe empempi sa asam no di bem na wo kan nyadin se wodifo I only know who you are. But I also ask myself, say, Kennedy was chairman for the Defense Committee. And our very military hospital is under defense, Ministry of Defense. Ade Akye to far as a chairperson. So in as much as I will always say this, say, Ken dear, may the love I have for him is unique. especially looking at his business side. Nyuma we be maybe I mean who am say this man or adwen when it comes to nyuma bio. Adwen. One thing is having the ideas, the brains. Another thing is putting it into work, into fusion, into reality. So nipa ba kwa me admire for that. Ken Ohine Japan. But on this, in as much as I appreciate his boldness, his being frank on this issue, but I also ask myself, say, kakane kananko waka, dear oye as a child person, dear oye as a child person, and I know a committee in so. Dear Adamotu mutu far for you know, because 8 good years. Then we can judge, say, oh, can even as a child, or ye way, or the way call or true way call, but omanfa. I wouldn't know unless say okay. And he who comes with equity must come with clean hands. MPP for differ a kwenye bia ni wonso mu ke kapa kom ka affair military hospital hwasem. I will always say this. Sometimes if MPP people are talking on affair military hospital, now me feel it say me nkata menim. I shame on them, especially the members of parliament in Ashanti region. That time no move for me. The Ashanti caucus. Ashanti MPP caucus in parliament. Sometimes ya me ferry ya me nimguas. Yes, eh. Mete se MPP for can afari military hospital once. Especially the Ashanti caucus. Ya ne eye me ni wo. Eya ne ye me ni wo. De ya ne ye me ni wo. Hwe the upper Ade Akye Kotoko. Ya na bro. Ya na nanu anka ne sa waterao. Our forefathers anka sa asem ne kwa se ye ka asem na aba ne ye ka bi kwa se the upper Ade Akye Kotoko no ya na bro. At that time, when it comes to a military hospital, the idea, the brain, Kone Kobusa Hwasemye, President Gufo, Afendi si for bedi ade no drum so mu ya. Enti many JSMPP by idea and get done deal mom. Because upo you can't separate. You can't separate. You can't separate the same powder from the child. Akwada bia so a ye boni bi. Enti separate MPP from the Ashanti region as their World Bank, even as it stands now. Now, kwa for they say NDC room, yes, NDC room, po. The numbers MPP will pull in Ashanti region, no, day too time. Idea a down. Or less on pen or crack. Ashanti region for any be said there cry. Still, as it stands now, be a maybe best and that is fine. But 2026 you womb and no data. Nobody have a data. It just say Bibia Teni, Bibia Sankra Wima MPP in Ashanti region Omuko supportive NDC. It can never happen. 2026 there is no data. There is no data. Ebia in the future any power against that will be fine. And the Ashanti region and NPP there. I say kramine sumuro. Especially sad time na MPP was for 8 good years. 8 good years. Ana a dining yes I feel crying you're taking it from a scratch. NDC na MP Ashanti region to about money in history baby no. In history Ashanti region to about massive NDC da. Open a buy them to know. Tibre kese bi ason da yese ye bibi se ya eboa. And for that matter, wonso nipa. Into the executives of NDC, the ministry itself, the president is himself, almost shas say. Sa vision way, yamanin say, umbesom yajuma very military, and people were saying, I don't know when you're back Ashanti region, or man to about mamo. I don't know what the NDC told Omo Kikaso, members. They told them, say, when it comes to matters of health, untimi fanya man yourself. Because NDC ni yarea, a honor beko, MPP ni yare obeko. And looking at Ashanti region, that be Americans was a confanochi. Now, what do you see? Looking at the population, the number of people move by hospital, go and check the records at OPD. Go and check inpatients, outpatients for no outpatient department. Go check it. Go and check the records of confidential the number of people about, and maybe there's pressure on the facility. And if you get alternatives, pressure no at least so better. Because the last time you call Confanochia na emergency and accident unit in Komo Yaba na YDB about the CEO ya call we realize there are people who are not even from the regional Ebiba hospital. Not region as in Ashanti region, but I'm talking about Ghana as a nation. Man for chichiri ne benche beja ya rehwe ho. Ya kwafo mbe trade in Ashanti region. Obuba no yare a omko honum. The population of Ashanti region expanded kwa na ekoso na ye kese. Oti ambulance bia Confanochi. Oti ambulance e bi be ko south ni ade menhia de, but most of them call Confanochi. And to the pressure on the facility, no, we need other alternatives, sir. Omu betimi aso Confanochi emu. Facility pressure basu bebre was so. And yema e wo honum no. Se pressure was so a ninkama e say ni dosu. Yasa ebia wa dialysis craft 5 for ho. Now look at the number of people are eba ho nko. The pressure on it. Pediatric Kodma na say I'm the say tell you say enram di governor say omukwa akwa here Kumasi hospital dey. The pressure at pediatric no hono kwa anya asem ketwa. But if you get alternatives, sir, if you get your say we are ready, if you get a very ready, then these hospitals be supported. It will complement the work of Confanochi. And you buy near kukwasa wohunsa, a very beautiful edifice a facility a standard. So we share the design, even the topography of a hospital. No, if you look at the ambience, the serene atmosphere. Sankofu, I can use adjective bia, but the question the woman say. Can you looking at the facility? A very honor. Confanochi and dinner. They say pressure na koto so beti. Now I'm go south, you go here. Go south hospital hodum go here. Confanochi when you kakra ko pressure the commercial na go here. It tells you we don't have alternatives. Papa biao. Even Men's hospital need a facelift. We know. But at least, oh, the young for way now, or my Jawa Baya Busum be a sihono, young for no answer. Young for no, because looking at a ferry military hospital and checking they say what you see, say, speed that you bet him the road with my ebit my tem. They say, dear, pass, they say, hey, no, and Sakrani Abbas, we are dear. And I turn out, knowing very well, say, thinking, say, Ashantis and as people in Ashanti region, the people in Ashanti region, Ashanti Fonkwa, will continue to vote for MPP no matter what. enti saa dia yem ye ani afiri so ana Kennedy Japan ekan. So I agree with Kennedy Japan say so obebe pointing an accusing finger on a military hospital. It shouldn't be from MPP. That they should bow their heads in shame when it comes to a military hospital. And so I'm interchange. Me da be American. Me say their projects are aban bi be chance ye ontimi nwie. Aban for na also beto aso. But when it was deliberate and ya brought no mudi ye. I'm not saying some people bet my project be a no mako. But me say this particular one and so I'm run about a brought no mudi yen. A brought no mudi Ashanti region. Because in a wisdom of Nana Danko Kufuado, Obesa Diana Kwa Quantum, especially Swami, it's a change. I know Kofa Yera as a sub watching by say, Besha Quanso. Somebody, Ojamna, Ompayasem, no Jamunya Maya, Medimuamo de Shiaba. Every webinar round go for who so muko so mubo. Who are the contractors? Omuso muko so mubo. Na sa ni jao na kuma ye tan na stress also am touching the same thing after required them the man your madwin po there's a more madwin because the health minister at that time Honorable Ajima Melu obi a wan wuni tuja obi a oye one of the worst minister when it comes to health, because at his own backyard, even changing a regional hospital to a teaching hospital, now it took the intervention of Ahimfubini stakeholders, the Remuna Wanyati, last summer no koye, or fin train, no muja hoko and bibi papa biam farm mahwa muswa de koye. So do you think sir? An honorable person like him, any people to say honorable Ajima Melu, looking at what happening at his own backyard, a hospital promising in call for class or Bayamun or Domakra Wanya, do you think to say or better for a military hospital? No. But me and call for a be one more appointment, a big crowd, a be closer to the president and the vice. A big cry, a council of state, you will cook down for no teso representing Ashanti region. Cabinet na ya. Look at the number of people are no teso and look at the region muna DNA free here equal cabinet. Dabai no nya mudebiem. Abai no onya mudebiem president no onya mudebiem. It's up to ya yanko for ye mo position say. Omoba bede nomdi omunaye si for mama ya ye niema yi ana omutina ho watra sa an ye jawakwa. So I agree with Kennedy Japan hini said nobody 15 months obeka dey dia na abeka dey wo obeka dey na mo ni ngum ho mafa bass tententi akwa gina ho so mu gwa mu kakra mafa bass akogina ho se mo ba be de mu betwitwa mfonyini ora mo diam ne so mu yi omo opposition at that time no omo fra Ashanti region no so mu yi omo two tables so do mu twa mo chi kakra so ya fo ndi omo to mu twa mo chi kakra what ena mo say was ya call mo say was ya call ti ya mayani amra. Another person so ye ni amre so no so hwe ni sa no kwabra mi takando de washa asie yi ya me ni amre kwabra mi takando ono abo so beja ho sa akọ te se de ya ye nko for boy abro mu ko no kwabra mi takando will do the same and leave what say sika ye invest so much oh hodum but me sere ono kwabra mi takando yes sere president yes sere. This project, mu project, mona mabre ho abeduru ha. Not to glory stage. Montena monko. Magacham say in Ashanti region. Say nyama esesa maka na mekoso ka say nyama esesa first no if you in Ashanti region na ya ndisi ni kura me do nyama say wontimi nka. Sada na papa we oh me referee ndi owo abu akwa na o ye drugstore ho ona na ye ndisi ni aze akintola na ye akintola ba ko bi ho na o ye drugstore ho yesusu an na o ye drugstore we abu akwa ona na ye ndisi ni any batma oh there were for you can hand pick them because ndisi ni kura so mo wontimi nka ofere wo fere kura so be ka so ye ndisi ni na Ashanti region because that time na tey ya ho odin say. But then they look at it. Look at NDC. And people are walking and they are show matter the camera. Yeah. And Yama says so. And Yama SSA. I'm telling you this. And people are not moving for party again. They are moving for leaders. What dream Puntujuma Beba region. And the best and say. Awo kwa bna mintakando anka afi we nkwa wiye na nka ewie ho na kanije beba ye wo June mu akabe 6 months it is possible ha Ashanti region so am run about omun consantase won ko yes akwan na omu kan omu ye interchange omun consantase ko ye so am run about omun consantase enkoye zese kwado ma ba ni mu chen say rango for no ko na say e say o manya facelift kakra so I ran about santase hodom de no omunye ye no mu meye sewia hospital no mu so am kra hospital ya fato chen me ko me once no no mu de hospital to am ye basa yan ko sewia hospital yan ko afa hospital sa niama wi opa o NDC nye no mu nhwade no more microphone market. No more nyan so no odi omo nhade. Microphone market sikaba. But ya nhwe ye nkomo abia metete won chen no. Ebe dragi kakra. It mayor afei ne was ye hu your negotiation power, your litigation and negotiation power. Afei ne pese ye hu microphone market ono. Me say microphone market. Swami interchange sa santasi ho yi do mu na no mu ko ye mayor mu ko ho no omu ko ye ho omu ma afari no de omu ko se wi anso kakra no mu nhwade then this nhwade kwase anya kwase ada o efri se yen yeso anya ka che se de opa ade akokotoko no ye nya na bro wati and again bobo I don't want to spoil my day. Why me anope matching?
Obeni mejozo.
Empom to say.
Oba de adaroma, o ma ya de che han eda akwenya fufuro nti no. Bibia yo fan apomu de ye, aka de aka. Paso obeni na onso
Odon for na dum. Apomu ye pa.
Na twe dia bonya ko na see obeni you look great in your Ghana just.
Oh, so. I me Ghana way.
Oh, Ghana way. Okay.
Anya Ghana jise Ghana way.
Great in Ghana way.
Jabia batara baby ko joa. O mataria be katem. O do be na che jesi bi da say unu zo utimi je.
And no kwase.
Tibisi o mabata de katem.
Ghana tadi.
We Ghana tadi.
The star of Africa.
Yes.
Okay. We Ghana tadi.
We Ghana tadi.
The Black Stars.
We dey support o mine.
Yes.
Yeah, they support on mine. And I catch it there or support Black Stars.
On a team manager the Black Stars.
Oh, a disappointed Mazua.
That was your father honor. At what day?
As a woman,
obey my child for na young cousin. You know, I am for supporting Black Stars. The Tibia, any idea. The Tibia, found the broken heart or Modia Maye. A brief chair moon in near Moya and Semfata. We only have one black.
Say no, I can't say South Africa could free Nagana, a free my because South Africa, the Africa country, be able to free. Made him say, what's the idea? I go for 14 years.
We need.
Yeah.
Kofonde omano amaka akopedi omanye yi
na asem ni o oba le asem baba
asem pelipa
na yen me semi support South Africa ezida
oh me hwe obo game crowd
ah na me shira when you hu
in your time African team be about bomb dey asem hwe dey asem phone so na asem pe baby
atenare
but omo dey dey being heard
always two time cry yeah no mo
dey cry am impeti
cry
yeah but you want to man for din common no ma TV
oyo mo am say anom da so o dey ni pa no o follow cross omo da so ah da so
eti e won pa dey about Black Stars and then omo nti anim or they say one goal margin cry yepe we just need a win
yeah win yeah
you just need a
win obi share 7 o dey one cry
so 1-0
yeah ni obi any goals na 2-1 and 3-1 o dey o share one cry yeah
my instinct tells me say Ghana but we need 2-1 and
then 2-1 na ko mbaba nkofo ayi akamu
sa 2-1 na eko
sana nkofo count 2-1
oh okay
well
okay but your bompai
media futu ma asofofo ne say
omo nyi omo humfrim
oye sofo a now person wanimu nyam koso kipu a ade enhye honkom da ebo
jai fatu baby
Kwame
o dey farmers sports presenters for the day
behind yes on say okudru bokroma your estate your sea line and your your ba ko bi South Africa
yes
okrom and I fa ko Kenya asene ade on say hwa na matena na those days na sofo bia ba ewiem ho sofo no hye nkom na ekokama na ekonkama na ekokama demsa blaster ade en kro hye ase na ekokama na ekokama ana ba ko di se wo
asempeli pa
kwawe na radio for the so papa ni
asempeli pa
papa ni ye mobo
oh la
satam no onyi din se nei oye mobo ti ama sa papa no onyi din na afi no wa hye ase no onyi din se nei
I see
enti ena nyame papa na gidin a osa koye blaster asema yesi andikem kan wasema yeso am se papa wo tie futu
oh David omfanya he
hey media blaster how much there
Martin so to I am pay the money
and I'm say hu here because omukaya na me kam ko pesa tape na bebo basa me dey your software nyiji wani wa blaster for no me o mebu ani mazio
nyiji wani football mbeji chance dey ase dey
especially so software is highly respected
highly
yebu ni papa ntime yebu sana ba ya sade na me hyehyem maw say papa mesrew akora fuano go na me kra de me anse di we fi na anom de okokan ye no na asa go no na ayi o kan no kreche ni pa ya me yo wani se obi o hwe gusigbo o guys ababa wa no wa guys ababa wa no o guys ababa no you ababa
why today
na me buy the cause that was why today you know this me kwa am just space we adum aja ko just space uyi so oya memo mabo video no ma hwe enipa be to ne so me ma dwen say December na mebo
coincidentally so asem no
esi usu say change he won say akwado twa so twa he won say
that no so da uyi west no say
ai
and no so ma commentary
ai
you be go station
ai
you be go station
o space say if you am say we presenter na ampe ho asem team league ane ho broni e boka bi mesrew asem kwa ka na enya boni o
team league o ma no ya
ha om de do go do nya kwam se nyame adomo ma danti bi nkofere mu ha asma make akura na enya boni me me se don go there but also what to say human games atem de yesu
ya papa shi ya no
evangelist ya was a human de Kwame I can say enkwanchen body de unsuro sekan David unsuro sekan David me sanyo man de emmem abobu anumpo
mejidi ese no ho
ne ho ye pa olman ho ye Christ gusu shene den
anso de na agenda no en back on
de me e krache ko ayi asem no so de ye pa asem no so mesra
why
ko da be ko mo no so mesra ko mo no so mesra mo ko mo no so we nya quarter asem kra da wo court dia so your lawyers be ko mano yaro
la gena o ka sa se
we krasini rough o krasini rough wetin say
me nyana ni ma he
o say o timi kuro na chi be kura am film no o ti achiri Wala bay. Wala di biya yesere obede. Babe o man na di biya yesere ba ga nje na no ya no. Eh ge na no ya.
Na what in the voice and any tone no pa na asem no de ka ena shame.
Ge na no ya.
Ena shame.
Ya no ya.
Hey.
What dia Missy December ya babo ni nyina ye betwitwa ne kakra ne abo. Kwame
Pacho no kwa de yifrim.
Ano penyi nti why.
Ano kwa de bi so yifrim.
Penyi nti o.
Mate. But
maybe I me go social media nti na me nhweta. O because hwe me ame de ya me hwe on se sompa nkomo masa sompa nkomo adwuma bobo na enwu. Sompa nkomo team na no adi ho. Ha opini masa sompa nkomo team na no adi ho. Opini ha na Kwame unum so m de ade bi ba
opini nyabotre
ha
opini nyabotre
masa sompa nkomo team na no adi ho.
Masa
hey
enya nsem nyina na ye ka
tese nyansa pa panel members no because so hwe Mrs ya Mrs a champion
ane
nyansa ne ma me no say no school am ko no no o headmistress open
no e cheche ni ho
nyansa ekura mami of omuna asamoa tetibrem of omuna asamoa those days force me ade ko ne na na asamoa nso abreu omuna wo media wo
ade che bia wo na pass
oh David Kwame
wa obiri e wa
ya mdabi na mdabi pass mo he na ma
sa wo space so kusibo
ya ma captain banda ogo fa benya wacha last corporal watra you ofanye nebo titibrem wa brasa mo
nti wo fa kasa titim komosa
na waye ne ho abrantes aboboa wanyini munya no wanyini omnas amro wanyini
masa no kasa na to team out me say yes
Kwame masa sompa nkomo na no edin
masa sompa nkomo if a trend na
the nation's lumba the nation's uncle of a lumba he once a bible no see ya mabi nyansa senka and a gift oh a very deep guy that guy masa sompa nkomo mu team na no edin
deep
na ya nso dia hofe no nso betena ha no twa pass no oh masa kom sompa nkomo ne de nyansa ne wo so na no adine masa nyansa ne wo so na no adine se nye entertainment o nyansa nkasa ye adwuba masa team na no adine o de ba bi ja karba ko ga ya de
obeni sompa nkomo
oh masa team na no adine me say no am show musa na I love this they are doing very well. They are doing. Ana kwa mine nso aye so producer no. On se yesi titibremu. On va kwakọ search.
Sa mine men ko.
Kwakọ search. Yesi case bia obe follow.
Men ko.
Yesi na no si case bi free ayi bole ba bia teacher ni abai. Yesi ko bole ho.
Na team na
oni Nkwantabisa
team no dey a resource oriented
oni nyame Nkwantabisa ba ko a oni oyedindin pa opero wan sem
ba o killer
killer man pa so no so manage filling station dawo ono wa tom petra satama na gawo ho nunim gawo wa pompi bia wa Tabisa wa pompi gawo na akwa we so abreu wa pompi gawo na no dia ba be manage filling station
obi hwe na hu ze o de atamo ba nyame no de
yemi enu
aleme masemoka
yemi enu
o di ba wata gete no obi aden
o Kwame be bi am big na
ma
go do team na no
e tia wa ye tia team no de anu ode
na team anu ode amen se me ma profile na wo kokko sechi obi onu gold 15 karat she ne sin so ya azam getwa ne sin kwa 30 mo se 45 karat o ne sin kwa o titi bremo e ne mrem kokko sechi o yesu obi o follow case o bole ko hini no nyina okope obi obe interpret ya ba no kware bo adwuma na obo adwuma okose chi bo adwuma obo adwuma team na yes this is the team team na no wedding
team no dia no wedding
set time now
super
1 to 3 yeah super masa team na no wedding
super team
so panko team na no wedding
super team
no wedding
super team
Mrs. Champion
super team
Mrs. Beatrice
no two
hey so bro for din hey mami na ni adi o Mrs. Champion Kwame what tactical play bi ho hey mami no he killer o as o ka as o ga o tina se ko fie na o se ba me na ka o ya se ba
obedi mesro ntamaso
iya yo Tirisu so wan ka bi na
ai la lao no na otutu nse
Tirisu no apampa so wan ka bi ze
wan ka de baby ade no wan ka bi de ni aka ndi wan ka bi
masa krachi
ya sem na o ba be kan
o na wo ma me pass
no kra
o na ma me pass o ga
no na wo yi characters no yi nyina de ba
no ka chem say o na ka chem say Mrs. Champion duku ne de the whole gather flash the akra body what you obey suspicion what happened why obey ya to aso na ya so ya my there's a lot I kind of at so a case no ho can Japan some ko kan on your hospital no and a stories in it do so Kwame
obeni ma mena sia do pai once again na fi yam fast down so e ma ya tifo say Ade Bia mo tune de to Sompa 93.1 mo jodi ya Facebook side join yen wo YouTube nso yani so papa ba nti Ade Bia seda kese ya na ye bekoso a e de amom wo de wo mo ene yen yani so pa no beni aropa yansa na me hyase no ma menko pie mo obenize onim kwatre Odumasi kwatiri government hospital na ho no
fast massa send the on come dey to be near come dey
sembi ashase e bobo ba penny nurse fu su patients o mo ko nsu esu adan a nurse fu su ne say gloves e bi as a patient by emergency ya dey be attended to
common gloves
and Slavon ne nasefo niema na detergent dettol ne nasefo a ombe yusu dia hwe patient no mu chire mu se o ma short patients yin so ka se biduru a peni omoji eska so omodi be kwa koto gloves
omoji eska free patients koto gloves ne dettol ne sa anyoma
yes amanti amanya ne se na no nka patient bi ya bonus ne bi adenti a okoye ne yesi won to we sa ne ma no to nti okoye adechia o sen baba besra ne patient na ne ma no to ne se obi foforo baye ne de ne emergency na nurse ne use de hwe ni pa no ti obaye ne yesi won santo no se hene ha
kwatiri na se kwatiri ho no duru ho na yare a wakọ de se koto toilet roll
me dogre
kono koto glass
me dogre
koto omo ne dettol
me dogre
and I didn't say who know the hospital was
me dogre come on mate it here if you
what there be meko ode nya abote
I was say ye poor match na penifo mo mani ko ho na omotutu ne ma yi na ye hu se city openi ma me sha se mfa free Kennedy case eso you ask a very laudable question say Kennedy or defense and interior committee chair at the parliament no hana mo be no 2 years sa afari hospital yi baby edru no awose ye hwe ne yie ne ehunu ne ka ne ye ka ne se de awose ye ka no na mpenifo nso ehunu anamo ewoso omutu na once and for all no as omaya ye friend ne Ghana no ya she project asese ye no ye wie ne ehunu se project no ye ba be sha ase no it's of national concern and it's of national priority na fenso a national conference and a year kwakofo sikadia free say national conference na say sponsors be free baby na air fund the project now we must give a certain kind of identity attached to it na funders no modi sika na eba no ehunu say ampa safo ya me kwakodi djuma yi dia momu yi wo moni abre na ade na nkasa wo mo pe wo moni nso ewom. Listening to Kennedy Japan tape no or make comment be say omo penso omo yeso omo tu na mo alcohol no makwa facility no say the city they were stopped. There comes your question, say oh yeah the end fa ho e ho na me hunu say maybe he kept mute because say yenim Kennedy dada or no assemble or kind of pain no I see the pain and yenim the esi enso wa bra mo flag bearer race e ba ye said the amamfo e use nsem o kan say no good party no ho fi which na enya party no ho fi no kan but no set record straight or can nsem no plain sebeya ye behu say there's a party or principle, there's a party onim the o yes I didn't go your beka eko your beka. Yesterday I spoke about principle. I see Kennedy Japan to be one character in Ghana's politics or principle. No two ways about that. The party Mwanka Sankra said yetia enko you know he will say it as it is. And Sanabo Minons who said yes it no he will say it as it is, devoid of the color, devoid of the party. Devoid is said we are mama ne papa ne ba. We are related to him, he will say it as it is. And yesterday when I listened to him again, I said, this is the man I vouched for. Abra no person oba flag bearer. And I'll continue to stand with him at anywhere. Me say why unity anywhere. Because we need characters and personalities of his kind that one more principles. They stand for way, today, tomorrow, and forever. Woman change, woman stands. After the hospital, yes, I said 2008. Yeah. Under Kufuor's administration. When almost shall say young crata because now ye shall say near the Bekota Male, and I say the Bar Accra, and I saw the Bepim a bedroom Kumasi, and a fee, yes, settle on Kumasi. And a home commonson in none in Namsana, yet to me share construction as 2014. Yeah. Ya share construction as pepa, opening. And to me, a project that you think belongs to the MPP, a project that is of this national character. Ebabe Buana 37 military hospital bed in the Kuta na Ababe absorb it. Na bed in the Kuta Kolebu, bed in the Kuta Konfanochi teaching hospital. Ebabe Bua na tete sa bed in Yisu na Bua na cases a Udwanka. Yebe Roshi Ediako eha. A deep pressure because kugu mosono and kebe sustain no. Now you turn around as a political party. Now Obabe can't your Obabe. Now Obabe play some kind of minuso skirmishes, antes, ne tactics, ne settings be as if say more the nation and the region at heart. NDC by Uncle one to me and Yanka first now say this project belonged to the NPP. It was started by John Ajekum Kufuor. It was started by the NPP administration. So we have to prioritize it. Niama Santimai Hunu say Santimai de Yakumaso. Yama Santimai Hunu say Ampa Jenia ye diamunti ya ye. Wabetnas in view watching Ayakukwasa I am not saying say you don't have the right to seek for any solution be a beboa am here to me I'm an answer, but I'm saying say before you will take any step opinions and there must be an admission of guilt. Exactly. Admit it say ya nyeni na fa chopa e ba bontin. Remember, hide behind politics in the NPP. And me too, I'm more uninvited. Uninvited. Forbidden. Na empasumu. And me too, I'm more wo person would di asantimai atem. And me too, I'm more wo person would dig Ghana for atem. As a person say would the agony diagro. Person say we are smart. NPP for Andre year. One more ankasa e go party no. And most especially the MPs from Ashanti region say Ashanti NPP Kofoma, we have to blame them. We have to blame them because the NPP were power. We don't see any anamontobia from them. A say one more PBB the Ashanti region. all they do is just live on the glory and live on the numbers of the party. Normally na musa, normally jiji yo musamba sa asa womunya she, womunya what? How could you tell me this story? How could you? Nka de edi kan wa ba be pagana fo achew ansakra na motu na mo na to Ghana fo asumu se ane mofom ye mo anya ne ma bi yi na fe mo de nchiremu de atato se weni nti ene yantumi anye na Ghana fo ye jetum. Now look at it again. The yasi wa openi ene asay no, we are going to use another national money to maintain it, to renovate it. Nti say louvers na ye ya ene apai asay nti wo se sacrifice ka foforo e di be hyem ade a ya ye nyusu ye nya asomfaso enso ye bo hoka so hu wa wutie mi so hu say the picture na sitie enti ene ade no ye nwie enso ye da so bo hoka machines ahodo de niema ahodo a ye de akwakọ hyem say ye di be di dwuma no ene asisi bo ama na say nti asaba be ye ka foforo abeto o man no so all of the time we are burdening the nation with unwarranted expenditure and ye de to your national conference no so sir and wo ene wo beto eni awe ababe jina hanu ma ye dede as if say mo pe asante mo pe Afari hospital ne che obi. Having said that, the Aban of today has a responsibility to finish Afari military hospital, because one person at construction no you who say chassis I take effect today na ba ya tutu date no they are shed that side to a shed abepemo ne ye tumi nwie. What is the case at hand in Tia Yentumini Afari Military Hospital? That should be the first question we have to ask. The first question say, or how no problem no? Dear Ben, as it fans, as it omo fandi, I don't know why chichi or monsa. As it a baby, a sinner assassin on pennyphone, timemufono, ni crowfono, timemufono, so one pebium. What is it at all? Mama yehunu mama yentias ye dientia muntumi complete ye. Mama yentias ye ni ehunu sentia muntumi nwie. Because enne yetiti ho. And I be moko hospital. They are unattended to. Yetiti ho ne biko hospital. Omo se bed ni ho. Yetiti ho ne biko hospital. Omo se nurse fo ni ho ni doctor fo ni ho. Senka Afari military hospital ye wia anka ye be employ new nurses. Edi o maba ho senye all together new nurses ne edi o be call ho kra na Kwame enye na ye be transfer experienced doctors ni nurses edi a free bia hospital bi edi o makoho ye wi a ye recruit new one edi akwakoshe baby ya create job opportunity for nurses one ne o mo wi school and kwabra mi nta kando say ye ti o mo numbers so when it comes to admission because wo bu wi a wo bu nya adwuma nya. It is because say or minor ya candy for no sebi wo ma agini ndani nkuto en nanentem mani nya adwuma emi ehunu say anamo we na wutu a how we da hadom no obenya anu yie nti wonya anu yie a wosa kotu anama fofora no onya anu yie to this and it is because say yemfa ye health system is serious e wo memo ha. Because you find serious and can nurse for new school metna fie no munya djuma nye na so wo be ko hospital bi no nurse for ni ho wo be ko hospital bi no na nurse for wo hodom no wo mo ye kakra bi a wo mo ntumi meet the demand of that community. Wo mo ntumi meet. It is because we are refusing to think. I would not say we are not thinking right. It is because we are refusing to think as a nation. Yempese abadwene, yempese ya adwene ne be ye djuma, ne apɛ solutions. E de ama e hawa hodo a ye face wo ye na ma. Eno na awie ye na de aba be duru ba bia ye duru enne yinti a the health system no atetia pansam na ye basa. And until we go to hospital, be a young funny serious nti. You see any gloves, you see any plaster, you need detergent, you need way. Now, kwako dani issue between nurses ne administrators, any management. Ne hunse makwako ye butu. E hunse makwako ye just bebre. yesre epo macho afari hospital sewia hospitals wo yesa hospitals ahodo a yesisi ya ye Ghana sika ni nyina hyenwram monkan hunu se Ghana sika na ye de ahyase mo ankoto aso a Ghana sika na ahye agu nti saa sika na nke betumi da ye before no ye de akɔhye ha ya nwia maso amaso so amamfa so amatimemfo ɛna abedane oman no ka nti ya mochi binum de ko gina ye court na mo ka say causing financial loss to the state no openi eno de nya bia se musi project ne bi de sikosi baabi na mo anwie na mo ma no hyenwira mu na rot na sei na sika na ye de ye neoma sa neoma ni nyina titi proper sam no enye causing financial loss to the state. Who are those responsible? Why don't we take them on? Adentia. Let's begin to think as a nation. Let's begin to look for solutions. Now, me sure says here, Charles says here, Jenny say, "Oh Maya, and no near better solutions." So let's begin to think as a nation, because if we begin doing that, we will get solutions to some of the problems we are facing today, the challenges we are going through. NPP in Ashanti region, the members of parliament are more representing one constituency in the name of the NPP. No, womunya jumani who say enye party no nko akeke no mo epe ne mo peti memofo ne Ashanti region ye. Open me that say.
That's Kwame. Ma me rejom kakra. But yeah, but those who are also asking say can for Riata green card. Yeah, so but I Roman father drew no Roman father ne drew no. Father Martin said about Mr. Michelle a divine formulated medicine. You were free. Titiriti yem onsa na ye titiriti stroke anacho January de wan shafra na be stroke na acho ohonam eyo ya wanya body pain why mre o de oye ho pressure na e so diabetes and how ya de be na aye kwankro Father Martin Zeba Mr. Roman Father Nedro na no pe me come for the amount adan na unkope bi mo bodan hwe de nyambe edre free tete mra ye introduce besin the efficiency the efficacy of the drone ebesine eda so gina de gina ebo adwuma watre enka bibi nchew anope drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop bia benya biato a Roman Father net drone o de frɛ 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 edra yare ma kra na no e bo ho ban 05526685170 05526685117 a Roman Father eduro no Arapada na obekwa akwa ayaresabia na nkwa ayaresabia behwe wo efru tiri so beka na ase awe nhwehwemu ahu se yade we ne wo ho na se ne sitie bi kra na nya de wo dwen na ko yade bi wa symptoms ya na task se pa 21st clinic so je heba medicine edidia any other alternative ayede esa yade a 21st clinic yade yenim se ya wo professional doctors ayatiti omu nurses ayatiti omu your sonographers are more hard ma ba also you try scan near show yem say okay ya dey we okay we hana shift akwa okay you try scan come sa eso so ne ye wo biochemist for hard ma no o me lab for mu hwehwe mo jam nya so oba ya na mu odro hwehwe mo jam say we infection we nya hwehwe mu nya kire wo anopai oto ho ye dey about 21st clinic na almighty sciatica expert at 21st clinic sciatica no makacho say ade e cho say yade kese na kwan so ba ti wan so anu a ebe kire pa nti ade na yi ni ho na won so anu ansa na yade kese na ba sciatica na chenye yi ne ya no osisi achi beka na se twumi for 9 o to so sa fa na echi ni sa besu okokru e kan say onan da form no ase onantini etwetwe sa sciatica no ba yenye hwehwemu na ye bia ya mo aduro ya saade wato physio so ama therapist for no ho no machine de ho the machine ye wo no yo ba ko bubom se ba ko bi ba ko bi twemi se ya we are na fei physio for ndo mo nsa oh rade go fo ibo adwuma ya over 15 branches all over Ghana. Kumasi ya wesha overseas. Ya wesha overseas. Yani Alpha Radio na bezo Sompa TV, Sompa FM na washo. Ano muni wo ye form ha. Obuasi Council Quarters, Court Junction ana abi hu. Accra Tantra Hill ano muwo. Sunyani Regional Hospital. Mados Abrosen first gate of Sunyani Teaching Hospital yani ne die nhwe. Enkransa de ye boho poti. Techman inform mra GN Bank dan that day nim. Ho na mbehu yen. 0249311311. For number C na baby ben oni a 0249311311. 0540311311. Any doctor sinin kasa call center no mgina so 24/7. Time abe from bi o me no ba di nkomo. Season na dru mane nkonyawo, emre du so cash out. Na asase ne be kama dia e fertilizer. Emfa fertilizer bi e mo ferti bi akwa. Onya OCP fertilizer. OCP Africa, OCP Ghana. Yani aye fertilizer, ye de bo vegetables, any cereals. Enti mo amudua nyadoa intos. Ginger, garden next. Moko de keka ho jenne. Mo hia fertilizer, mo de be boland no. We nya duro na de kobo, we ye fertilizer ankasa. De bo amaland na rich. Unya NPK 15 na. OCP NPK 15. Eno mo mudua vegetables no atoso de any omomudua cereals emo any ebro mumu hia for land no sa so na mo amudua legumes no mo de OCPTSP anope bomodia ne kwajo de fertilizer shop bi agrochemical shop bi a omo ye guy bi ebi ho anope 0555 90 9437 0555 5 near me 90 9437 and 0555 90 9433 oba omuso be che de wo so ye anopeta wo e ba Mr. ne capsules ese be ma hu hwani mase e manwoma nka ne tinsi ho na afi ma no mu no mani mu a obetua so emfa o de opa akọ s ne so ne koye dede wo x so sa na de te fancy nyina ne ma general na so o mema
na yiska bi de ni nyina
na de o mema sem ne nkofo ye be du sika kwa
e be hwe so o ye be ma
ye be so o be ma anopai ye tago e ba Mr. Osimwa de Bridjo or na make come for the erectile misfunction impotence and the form kojo to enye ye o de try tago e ba Mr. and in the capsule Obama oni atinka oba oni atinka entina wo se me ni atinka enugwase oni atinka se infections ahodo ni nyina but I go heba Mr. Nene capsules ebebo 0243 228296 0243 228296 drugstore pharmacy shop bia benya bi akọ na anopay RSYD no VG studio say bra na professional studio na ashe Ghana udi ohun se odi oye Togo ni kura minim na wa show blue no long sleeves ade a wo ye John ade nti na won kope RSYD no VG studios na mo ntwa mfonyini mane nya kama etwa mfonyini ati se mfonyini ni da ho pa anopay RSYD no VG studios montana se mame na ye ntwa mfonyini kama anopay so wo twa sketch ana wo twa movie ye wo eye studio hodma ebe ni nyina kama amaw ye film na ma film production papa bi photographers ni videographers wo mo professionals afi ye wo machines and puzzles na ni da ho ye say high quality pa ana afi so ye professionals creative directors wo mo bo ama bia akoyi ye wo malama bia se first Kokroko street e won crime and so Ghana ha bia be free bia no bedin komande ni wadin sa wo so abebo wo ultra program bi anniversary ana say program bi na apeso ye wo de free 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 0303974822 0303974822 anopa wata adim be hwam ona wo bi say na perfume be na yisu da bi etichu mu a moye matan a musi nyoma nufuo no ne ade agim no wanhwe ya wesi na akwada no obi ambe so obeje no enye bibia because akwada ne ho ayenyan entade ne munye enti anopa ade nti na homomode ana ompe comfort enso wata adim Liver Ghana Limited dom de bebe bia ye kama enti anopa bomode a na kope comfort no mumfa engu omatade nim wasi nyoma na wie no ba be samfunu mu a fagum monso amusu washing machine no be blue side no fagu honum ode weni gu agu a powder ni gu a mfimfini honum be ode indicate blue na color no ona ade be gu washing machine esi abewi abonse mo aye kama mo aye hwam mo aye yopo na ona mo a onso so gwatimi anya confidence no comfort ana anopay me comfort ede amount ewo ho abedwafo atenase anopay ye bewuram na ye di nkomo my message in 0509438500 anopay Kwame onye na adwen so obeko 0509438500 my name says representing UP party na bye bye.
No, the bees.
Oh, the bees. Oh, the Jacobo. Said a more quarter. The bees way. Where's the media? Party I echo. Hey, my God. All right, I'll pay. Drew Facebook also a comment section. Now, audio comment no. Alpha Hodna Ade Akye Ede amount and so. Oh, honum. Messages in Biaba. Na anope General Buhari atenase sansina John o me anyina me ho ma chepa you babre ho mu no de o ma kwhye chei babra o me busy on anope o ma ba na ye bedi nkobo John anope ma chen
ya me do so
obanyi na opom te sei
Yehowa adaroma nkwane ye wa hoden die na ye badi ado ahwe so ka ho na ama etise ne yeti nya madu ase de onim se adwuma die edru ase a entumi ma bla ye ba be ka ye party mo asem ne Ghana mo asem ne ye soro ye de eko wo se ye de nchiama eye omampani John Dramani Mahama ona adwuma obo se ne be ya Ghana abia fa ne ntoma pefra all the 16 regions o make sure say nsa no adwuma ebe wo hono ti ye den chiama no ewi ana me den chia koma ma de nyina the first class chief of staff Honorable Dr. Julius Debra be mani manyafo de Ghana ehwe ne nimu kwan me den chia kase ma no na machia na ma ne trinkwa se nyame aye na dom na watumi enya abodin krata anasa abodin dia ka ne din ho aye doctor not just ordinary doctor say doctor keke doctor ni tuma bobby doctor wunim de doctor wunim administrative doctor wunim kasa doctor wujina hono ma wutimi ho say akandie fatano ono ne chief Julius Debra ono pay meden chiama no na menim say ebre no so a say party ni bia kwanya tuma ye nyina ye beba be ka papa no nyuma pa waye no Ghana ha sei me ba be di ne ho adanse ye se fatan tia papa no deserve se endis mana akwanya ebre no so a imia ye beba na ya ba be kanwa ahase
John Abambila ejirem di ama the National Democratic Congress General marching
yenua
nempom ti saying
Yankopɔ de me ho ye
good
but what are na fata pa
say so wa hwe die pa me de ma hye Ghana atade o de wa hye Black Stars atade
you see but the good thing is that ya dem hina me na me nim ball pa enti ya dem hina
na de wa hwe obi ball da
na say wonim say tia say you obi a record o Nkwantabisa obi a record mama fanchi aso
eja konso ni ball pa
onurumi
me nim ball so me de obi an say basketball na me
na de o ball nti wo de o moye die ni
da bi me de basket but no cry no my captain school team pen
back there in the 90s anyway mama fanchi aso
how you video
mama fanchi aso kuma the next president of Ghana of the the next president of Ghana Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Anyankopon krakra no edenu ababet na abanwa no so 2029 na mensan fan chasron kuma MPP party no ankasa mpanimfo omo national level na remember cha regional executives ni party mpanimfo mo Ashanti region na menko constituency offense South constituency menchia party mpanimfo na menchia the chairman owura chairman Joe Sala na enne enra ade atoyeni ye former electoral area coordinator or abofo dumesua yenua Daniel enra wakabibi we free enti ade ato ofin so MPP fo nyina ani a make say anopa yi ye ya hoboa na yakọ akọchia abusuafo na yammo yakọ na na abusua adidi nsawoso na yehu hyehyɛ ya omoye afa ye nua Daniel no ho na eduru ho a eye osono amanyoko ye nyina ye de eho akọbọ aboa ama ya pe ye nua Daniel ekra bre kra anopa yi abusuafo mamu nyina yakọ. Now, yes, I wish you a Black Star, so all the best of luck in your new. Okay,
thank you. I don't pay a shot, say, na, you need and come on, and so, awaha. I don't pay messages in Abapa, make kind way. Mom, ways I mean, kind, I would definitely reject me room kakra. Oforiata's lawyer claim U.S. court has approved his green card application. Team, Yevhen Sunsan, so a beba. Of course, already we are of known say it does not relate to say extradition cost. But maybe we will look into that. Kennedy Japan chides NPP for failing to complete a ferry military hospital after 8 years in office. And also now no one has the right to close any health facility without authorization. Health Minister justified Konfanochi Teaching Hospital CEO suspension. And also that's why a cremu din oforiata ankomoi Buhari mamisha simfioso.
All right, Nkwantabisa medical mamensa fancha jokomone what's your phone na with regards to Ken Oforiata a case no you how special prosecutor show much interest with regards to this case. Now the special prosecutor was fully aware, say, you Ken Oforiata, etu kwan a okwa kohwe ho ana okosa ho yade ewo amanone. This is the fact. OSP enim. Now, OSP so declare a year Oforiata as fugitive of law. No. And Otroy USA. Senka omumfa kwan bi so nanka ye introduce Ken Oforiata back into Ghana to face the consequences or to face the law of the land. Now, a dear bang, a Ken Oforiata aye. Enunti. OSP, a demand is a Kemfanemra, na omrambi jina aye asem ano. Even though what trosso or Kosan Hoya diaba. But yes, omra no bejina and semano. Nkwantabisa me and MPP as a political party, yen condone any form of corruption or theft. Yen obibo krono, yen defend no. Obidi boni, yen defend no. But as some no sene sitieno, sane bekanwo. Now you call into the OSP on one kasa and semba kuminu miensa or troto was a Ken Oforiata mrano omrambi yano. Bako was a contractual agreement between Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited and the Ghana Revenue Authority for the stated objective of the enhancement of revenue assurance in the downstream petroleum sector, upstream petroleum production, and minerals and mills resources value chain. 2. Termination of distribution, loss reduction, and associated network improvement project contract between the Electricity Company of Ghana Limited and Beijing Zhaojeng Technology. 3. Okay, that's 3. Activities and payments in respect of contracts awarded by the Ministry of Health, initially commenced by the Ministry of Special Development Initiative. 4. Payment out of the utilization of the tax refund accounts of Ghana Revenue Authority. OSP susu say was a Ken Oforiata bra emra na omra emechim ana omra mbiyano. But at the time OSP here Ken Oforiata no, na the lawyer for atro ama OSP ni say Ken entiapo into court America or kohwen ho yade. Now the question is, say OSP ewo gidie second Oforiata edibone ana sebim preadresa wo bo emra bi so a even though Ken anyone man mu fisa on tiapo what stopped the OSP from proceeding to court? So obidi bone and me so obidi bone there is only one institution na obi to me ejina mu no wakase ampa enokware asemesi ana obentin wadi bone na wabokro no only court be to side no. Now special prosecutor instead of say obeko court no or you sue the media to persecute, to speculate, to make it look as if say Ken Overrater 7 periods were a criminal. Meanwhile, Ghana Mirem, the only institution that obey to me I declare Obi as a criminal is the competent law of jurisdiction. Competent court of jurisdiction. But OSP, a grantee media engagements upon media engagements. A throw and futuro guamanfo ani. E man look as if say Ken Dibone ne ye penalty ne netum. Meanwhile, Besine say OSP e wo gidie say Ken Dibone a dentro na Besine on to him for court.
OSP into for Ken for
Besine on fa Ken for on fanen court. A dentro on fanen court. Because OSP nankasa nim say the only place that obey to me Eddie Bem over Ken Oferata is in the media space. Because in there, we are granting interview, no, until we are count some of person worker. And in the media perspective, no, obedi bem. But okojina court of law, unim OSP nim trodo send the case no and hold water obedi for a nuntra and on-call court. And the amount for raising objections and issues. Sir, on fan court because Ken any or my name. Ah, na yemremu yen to me and try obi in absentia ana. Ghana mra emma kwan say yen try obi abra only or my name wana. Clear example is with that of Sedina Temaklo. Sedina Temaklo. NDC ni maame no a na o maslock. Ah eja eto kantamanto. Ye maame nom enyoma ehye. Ye nuanom mema ye papa nom enyoma hye a aban no ekoso o masene. Sika pudio a ye di maame Sedina Temaklo NDC ni maame. Ah na oye maslock boss. Se onfa nkona onko so eye dwadifo na asene no. Maame no bosika ni maba ofa sika ni diye. Owieye odwane free oman ni mu. But even those who were dwane free oman ni mu, ye asem no court. Ye proceeding making sure say court the asem no maame ni difo. Even though she was tried in absentia, ni ye twama no say oba obedam emfi edu. It means that legally Ghana emra ema kwan say so obi eye bone ana osusu say obi eye bone na oni oman ni mu mpa otumi de court. It me no say me no obi eni obetimi aten dem aka kire en say Ken Oferata 7 periods abokro no ana Ken ediboni if we say court bi eni wiase ha ane I declare ana adi asem no aka kire en say ampa Ken odiboni Ken oniboni bia enuntra ena OSP otufa ne court. Now USA oman no eye oman a omumra no ejina brane na eho no amanyosem entumi intervene in or when it comes to a legal processes. OSP Troy cause Anka Ken should be extradited back into Ghana. You can and this for you who the you see a channel. Oh ya chicken. Now more the AI are creating some pictures. You say hank of good and sun in the night.
Just say it's not a
yes, so you the chair good and sun in the night and check you need to Kaguma Ghana. Yes, as I said earlier. What did Bonibia? Them Rama Kwanya. Ye fanemra.
All right.
But we know what say. Call to be any wiase. Akotena se akase Ken ediboni bi. Enuntra na enra. Eye US aban no. Omo ankasa tena ase a omo evaluate ye. Na omo hwe case a OSP di ba ya omo so omo nyina so mfa instruct papa no. US aban no se emra no anasa se bempeduasa nsem na OSP di ba no. Emu oha. Ye di adwuma enye ye. Mere persecution. Mere hatred. O chase 7 periods papa no abra onye hwe. Ne senti no na application no USA court no yes almost twegu and tiafe can bet me at na USA as long as he wish, and even if he wants to come to Ghana and obetumi aba. But
the OSP lawyer Sammy, who is in charge of the communication and when say as it stands now, US government in reply on Nkrata Omudia Kwakoma US air calling for the Yakanse Kenu Foriata as it stands now.
As it stands now.
As it stands.
So Enra is what they see now no.
A green card near the amount.
Update.
Or don't have penny green card near the amount. So be a citizen. So it takes about 5 years and son or more upgrade to that.
If you are under investigation, there is no way say or minor state no. Ebe go ahead. Ni ama okrata say obetimi atina or minor abra ni say you are under investigation.
But it's a permit. It's still a citizen. Ghana or your Ghana ni or Ghana.
They are praying that he's extradited back into Ghana.
Yeah.
Because they presume. So what the Now, what the Krata Koma a year USA for, and you've stated your reasons why he should be extradited. So it means that in a way he's undergoing a criminal interrogation. Until say case you know, there is no way say USA for the US as you and I know will go ahead to give him or grant him a permit. So I feel the obetime atina or minimum as long as he wants. Clear example na it happened with you Bema with regards to your Black Star, you play a record to me make one. All
right, that's why.
Even with regards to let me conclude. Even with regards to you Bema now play a crowd, and also court and declares default. But you've seen what Canada. You see what Canada is doing.
US former Anibaho.
Good.
The laws of US is different from that.
So you see what Canada is doing. So you will not allow him because he is undergoing a certain criminal investigations. So yes, of course, USA for okay Kratana Ken lawyers the buy and one.
I said by party appear before court. Can appear before any court, just as you said in this
exactly.
Morning. So this we can't compare.
Exactly. So you cannot conclude say he's a criminal, and for that matter, he shouldn't or he should be extradited. And that's the reason why America for no Arabic OSP application no omatu agu.
Say, John, young Ken and Semi.
Yeah, that's it. It seems in Yanam MPP4 they are happy. Say Kenofoliata and your Mabonia or no Ghana has say na Kenofoliata Emma MBE are known. It seems they are happy.
I'm for happy.
MPP4 seems they are happy and they are in support of Nyoma Kennedy Ken Oforiata Ebeye from 2017 to 2024. They are happy with it. Now, you see, many Casano can Ken Obianchino ice. Ice. Actually, Ken Oforiata because now I exceed Netina was a Watina US.
Yeah.
Now I exceed in the channel. Now, Ken Oforiata lawyer call court. Yamati for say. One court to say court and question the extradition no. Or court to say or permanent stay. US. Ken Timopo na adwenpo a wode koye no ampa okoye no the US immigration court and US immigration court is different from the court itself. I wo honom yenyanti ase was anoma we mi no. 2 yenya Kenoforiata Minya, yeni US, yawa yankufa pao. When it comes to extradition, yawa yankufa. Obi bebusa. Ghana niya wate bontin bebusa say, niya US immigration court edi abey. Eti Ghana court ewo ho kwan say, obetumi atoa asem no so. Ahwe se Kenoforiata US for extradition ana. Yes or no? The answer is what? Yes. The answer is yes. it's a name no work as the Attorney General. I was Ghana aban. Ebusua odin hyehyɛ egu akwam any US edi nkomo sɛ ne beya ɛyɛ nua Ken Ofori Atta obetu mramu no yebetu mafa mrakwan so the section of the extradition act no yebetu mi afa mrakwan so idea edi papa na yede aba wo man Ghana hase and we are doing that it ye nua no MPP for should stop being say anopay omoni age na eno omote sansem we mete say o ma sha ase krampo a omo se enede ko omo kwa akobo jama nko si jama de ya Kenofoli Atta ho asan enia you was separate from there was separation of extradition say court ewunu say ye ma will be permanent here and no does not mean say nipa yen to me extraditing.
Yeah, that's fact.
You see the point? We should get it clear. Mind say, and your man na so so we NPP ni. Krana, you should be happy. Say, Kenofoli Atta nko beba be face the law of Ghana. Debentia, one a good money because he served under another Danko Akufo who was a leading member of NPP. And I said, me what? It is a kobase ya. A good NPP for the picture can say NPP finance minister, the first finance minister. Yeah, what do you call it? Now buying a free so what getting a free Ghana has say. Now you just so be a bono and no man beer. Ye susu say wo ye am fa kwam. Am fa kwam. Oka article 19(2)(c) now. Until said the person is proven guilty. Say no bibie no na chese papa no. Wade atu. Na mo bi ye hwese omra na wo meyi nsemfuo bia dey. Ano eno ena Ghana eguso a woye dey. Oye. Na minia me Kenofoli Atta asemu e baye on from day one. Messi nipa wama Ken Ofori Atta adwane wo Ghana ha say eh the OSP
any man adwane
OSP okaya timer and this rainy election no in 2025 and I was just say Ken Ofori Atta ho dede say Ken Ofori Atta ho dede meanwhile no so no na Ken Ofori Atta dede na wo ye nyina yini se enoma bi wo ho no ma waya se bi ka from emfa kwam a bit is a procurement breaches Ken Ofori Atta ye na yinim say ye ba ban mu ama Ken Ofori Atta atra Ghana ha ye de Ken Ofori Atta afa kwan so e na papa sole ye Ken Ofori Atta wi Ghana sika Ken Ofori Atta wo ye ni say Ken Ofori Atta wo ye ni say or the charges are who do born no meanwhile no you don't have that power. So will be a become running say it is the only that Attorney General. You work under that Attorney General.
And you to use speculations in the map, Papa Nibiani.
That is it. Speculations, you know, it's one key factor mark Kenofoli Atta Johnny. And you know, Modibo Kenofoli Atta. Minia, Obianga said Kenofoli Atta Bokrono. Obianga said Kenofoli Atta you are my second. Because the competent court now Ghana Hano. And the veteran say, Ampa. Kenofoli Atta nsema ye di bowe e kire se wodi hu fo anase wodi hu bi wodi tum se wodi hu fo na emram no ye ko process na mu wie na court di ni ruling ba ansa na me no wie no ye Ghana ni betumi aga se Kenofoli Atta bokro no anase me boa now no allegations suspect ye say ye nim se Kenofoli Atta aye nneoma bi a ensem fata it womra no mbeko under investigation eno na OSP sole ye pum wako say asem we nyina it me at times ana me say OSP no say o continue no wo kan Kenofoli Atta ho asem a na me say won tena ne baby because ono na man sem we aye basa Kenofoli Atta gina eye okun anu a ka o face no ma but enu achi no enu kire say Kenofoli Atta yetumi ni na asem ebra woni Ghana.
But to be fair to the OSP, there are certain cases are all jurisdictional power and yet absolute but he has to apply to the Attorney General. Now when you have permission. So what is wrong, sir? Per investigation, no. On say Adiwe you say. Then he raised a red flag indicating say the finance minister I say. Adiana is seen home because Keno Foriata aircon. One man get a soon or coy or seek or guarantee or seek for permission as a man Emma home. And he left so quite question when yadia yentimi in frame. And I don't think say in the mind of the OSP or the Attorney General say Ken Kwa or maybe. So how can we solely blame OSP say or speculating to my papa?
So and social media na abano. Fan baby, Buanioma, and a fan baby so senior so
yeah.
So be here first no. Before I bet it will be ye do be court. Na asem eba social media. Na asem no kwampo no. That
am crab who no graphic.
That is it. But in social media bibia no na ye dia ba to social media. Bibia na ye dia ba to social media. Enti nipa no wo hunu a Ubewu say
ono so boaboa ne ho.
Boaboa wo to na mo bi e wo ho because sisi na me krampo no ye nyamre me krata bia na se bibia ne ye no e na ye de me nsam to say enya sa bia ma me boaboa me ho na me to na mo sa no ma we nyina aka ho. But what I'm saying is say who is no ye lawyer but emre mu no against wo the what do you call the professional ethics now. Sa no ma we nyina it against the professional ethics. Because court to say court to say wo kwa kodi asem minia unni anu krambo say the court no kaye no obeka na de fufuro but eneno abaya ade fufuro bia obi asori ade woni de wonti ase na wo ye dey na wo ka sanyo mo we nyina na court so ma OSP no wo tu anamo a ye mimi John amiti ase misusu say OSP no wo tu anamo papa but na wo sen ka wonya abotre na woni Attorney General no efa ekwa papa no so na afedie ewie peye na de beto abonten so ya chicken oforiata na de ne court ne edi na asem e da OSP de beto abonten a yenim se ya famra kwa so e de papa na ye dey abegina emlanim ba ye na fani pani begina emlanim wa sha ase e na wu bose papa na ye beche no papa na ye be ni say waye we at the end of the day no wo kire nipa ne say owo ho kwan say obetumi aye dey Again, Ghana has him. But what I am saying is that the OSP no certain issues be honoma. Onya botre. Enye bibia na ye social media o. Enye bibia na wasa ode ba bonten bebe ka o. Bibi wo honoma. E wasa ye ka ye no emra kwa so se na be ya. Awiye no e na be kire wadwuma pa wo ye dey. Wo ye. Enye se de wo ye na kire se o bo adwuma na se o pa animonyam. E wo aban anim se aban na ye dey. Ento wadwuma so dey bi ye dwuma pa na aban no wusa dwuma wo ye no ye tua wo ka e wo say ye to wo so a ye be ye dey ye beto wo so etimi nia me di manu sie no ye be sre me wogidie wa ndisi aban mu ena me wogidie wo the Attorney General mu say oni US be ko benkrom en hye bia egu akwan mu bia no nia kenofoliata ye de ne beba ya mfa na ma kenofoliata magana kwapo a ye bedi na asem no se ne ye di tamako se de nam tamako asem abra na woni Ghana ase ne ye bedi na asem e wo Ghana ase na asem de na ti no se emra bubo na edi mfi ape krampo na kenofoliata obeservo eye o my Ghana na wo hu se sumo obesum Ghana ne kwanya wo fa so a wo di Ghana sikasem etu baabi a ne ni kwasa wo di to na mrewafo su na nkokofo su no no ankasa MPs krampo e criticize say na djuma wo ye enso ani ye nyino no kan yo mani nan na ko behu esomfa so
okay general will be bika so what about Abia na
I'm glad onwa de djuma di odini ka say bawie no ono ankasa confirm to the fact say enye say court bi e na abu papa no efo na eye say just speculation and always been some all can making mention of the media engagement and all that. And the Magana for Nantiasia say always been far papa no enko court mpo yako buasa with different with bim. And as stated earlier, Seme and MPP as a political party, yen support to any form of corruption and theft. That's what I said earlier. Say Papa no ankasa willingly if he will come to Ghana. No, I don't have any problem with that. But Yema Ghana Fontias say, and yes, we Johnny send any for no. And I'm glad you corrected him. Say, Papa, let's all find a bag of fine future coy. Name or throw a cut down some OSP. So, or co aquashen ho ya dear, America. So it's not like or find a bag in sumo Ugani. So we leave it to obviously the legal battle. So whatever happens, you observe it. And I think the ends will justify the means.
May I say, young call Canadian Japan. I think it's 66th birthday. Call 37 military hospital. Could donate a car and some equipments. That I will by interview. We don't be sad about a very military hospital. No, I say, yeah, can't pay the MPP for the young call for was a muka Saha hospital once because 8 years. Oh man, fashion and count to be 15 months away day. In fact, raising a lot of issues. John, after military hospital.
Yeah, but that's it. There was a military hospital there. A Buakana Matia. And a hodie, a idea, the Taco. Now you see, there be a Mekoswaka. Say, Indian NPP for any quine say, and you may do a honor. Asante mantemo hase minia omo ekanwasa kwa in 2016 omunya over 1.3 million votes asante mantemo hase mebwa over 1.3 million votes asante mantemo hase in 2016 out of 47 constituencies and as MPs and asante mantemo hase na NDC wo what do you call it 3 na NPP ewo mako 44. They had cabinet ministers to the sense the deputy chief of staff for Krapono no fear Asante Mantemu ase in 2020 when we vote to Asante Mantemu dema union NPP at the end ombenya 43 MPs and this benya 4 MPs. But one thing I am much worried about union MPP for ne say Ade Asante Mayema munyina uba mfie wotwe Asante Maye nya so mfaso
Asante Maye nya so mfaso
umanya NPP so mfaso
okay
umanya NPP so mfaso Asante Mantemu hase unya enyama solid brane afaka afuel because nobody dikwa obi responsible kwa na maba afale se mu ba behwe di afale tibie esitie yemusa ye se ebra na afale John Mahama efi akonya so 2016 2017 na afale bobre etese NPP ba so no fie wotwe afale bobre edu se minya certain things are ewo hono ma on you don't know people for omo ya won they be make us wa can say and you omo ya no expose omo too much they are santeman etikano for yata I can Canada Japan asema wa kan ye no me metena say ti o fa bedu omo wo say wonu na wo ye chairman of defense and interior na ye hwan ya ben so
Nanado
no ye dey CPP ni so ye LPP ni on requesting sanka wo pese woni ne manfo ekọ afel military hospital which is under defense na ye ko di ye ni kohwe na ye di hu sam beto wo mampanyin defense enim say afel military hospital ba bia aduru ni ye hwe na ye ntu wana mo oso wo de omo de krata ko ye na hefo na dinai omo edo mama na dinai omo ana anase eye okubeto ablankwa eye na nadu danko akufo do ni ministers ene dinai keno ai Canada Japan ne committee ne say ye mamonko na uwia wo say twa wo hu asa ba afɛle military hospital sɛ wo de ewu ba wo na wo ba santeman wo na wo ba afɛlefoɔ etu wo de wani ba bɛhwɛ na wo bi a wɔde mfie mmienu esiyɛ eduru baabi a eduro na wo ba yɛ mfie wɔtwe wɔntumi amfa bi anka ho ambie ano nipa ne saa ba ya wo so wɔmfa bosomi du edunu ewie na sɛ bi kafo yɛ hohoro yɛ nim kɔ soro anase hohoro yɛ nim ba fam yɛ didi a yɛ de fa yɛ num anase yɛ de fa yɛ sum ɔmo a ɔmo kɔ gyina afɛle ɔmo yɛ saa deɛ no menya ɛwɔ sɛ kɔmu ebu kotodwe me na me expect wɔ mo sɛ ɔmo kɔ gyina hɔ the first thing that they should have done is say yɛ bɛ bu kotodwe apa santeman akyɛw sɛ asanteman mo fa nkyɛyɛ baabi a dɔm ama de afɛle military hospital duru yɛ yi na wɔ sɛ ka yɛ toa so yɛ ntumi antoa so na emo yɛ deɛ yɛ ba bɛhwɛ na yaka kyerɛ yɛ wɔ John Dramani ma ama sɛ baabi a dure ɔntoa so wo wie ma yɛ
minority health committee for
that is it in other way media then time I think in 2021 or 2022 or 2023 I stand to be corrected na Kwabena Akando was a committee on health minority. I was there. Obai na ye kwa afele military hospital. Ye ko sewa, ye ko tepa, ye ko afele military hospital. Omu prevent ye from not enter the premises. You do what omu say. Authority from above. That's my that is it. Omu say authority from authority from above say a whole defense and it was like a secure people from defense. It's no more my day. I was there. Yes, if you are maybe Bosemuka. It is certain things go on, man. Minia, young Kano Cranche, Yanum, Asante my MPs, no. Nyoma Asante my uncle, so you know, young folks who walk us and Casabo, your MPs. Your MPs. I was Santeman say, especially NPP MPs. Quite a lot of their consequences. Quite development because on himself or Renia, yet they are on that buy a day. But I'm very much happy this morning. Say, ne Ghana for Nina Edisende.
Medasi.
Omohuni echo. Na me de manusino. I will say, Assembly, a dear MPP for Kwaye, minority Kwaye na felon. I justify as someone a Pukaye. So, was say, cabinet. Nana Danko Akufo, he was part of the cabinet too. Nemo say be careful where who nyansa ni bia wa cabinet wo. Because ni kwase kam to sabi. Osi where who nyansa ni betre say.
Wow, okay, so who nyansa ni bia sa ro kai. Aba.
Ro ka so ka de say. Kwatabisa o ka ne say.
Why would him do okay?
Well, who nyansa ni bia wa cabinet ya. Na you do said Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia. It means that he was part of the cabinet. Sabreno. Na is one no there. Enye kura. Others say na was anti-mantem that they were part of cabinet. Na say enye kura. Enuti. Eno man to me am prim puntu amfa ma santemaya. Eye omakoma. Enuti eno mu dia santemaya bro. Enuti Emma Napona himself because as Santemai MPP here puntu. Omu here t-shirt. Omu de t-shirt ma omu omu sha no makoma ye dey ato omu yem. Enu husu aso. Ba me de manu se na me de manu se say. Ye nia no ma Santemai munka makoma ntomu yem. The government led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is working towards the Afale Military Hospital. He's working towards Sewa. And other hospitals ne other what go market here and what sell or ye ho adwuma ni fie enan ya Ghana for the man.
All right.
Asanteman be na o mo chefa na boama asanteman puto mo hu say NDC and ehwe asanteman ma asanteman e fa ne ntoma perfect.
Me da say. General why? People think say you don't have moral right to even talk about AFR military hospital.
Absolutely ridiculous. Meanwhile, ka sansa na me hwe din. To try and pick a cancer. Afari Hospital. Na eye yura kofo ani swadi hun. In 2008, and they getting into agreement with Aerojet. say omumbe say 7 hospitals in Famaye, which include the Afari in Sewa. Osha proceedings from Parliament. Ye indicate say Afari no ye sino asante memoha. A credit facility, Sika, the loan, everything was agreed, approved by Parliament. The Afari was costing us $180 million. You got to about 2008. And MPP buy a free so. NBC are buying a buy. And I was say Asantemai and Semfata. So Obenya a Afari military hospital. And to all ye Afari hospital. Afri Asantemaimu Ade Akye Abia Tamale in 2009. And then what year was it then? NBC for the pay Asante for Asem. Mwa bambaye. Hospital like yen. You get the credit facility in fancy and from Asante mine. Mubaye Muslim hospital, Mude Kotamali, a stream freezer, Asante mine and Semfata. So Benya Afari military hospital. Is it not true that in 2009 Afari only if you come some Kotamali? Is it not true? Check from the records. Is it also true that in 2010 almost like you free Tamale? So when they call Accra, so the military hospital. Is it not true? Is this not a fact? Is it not a fact? But no, me more the background. No, me more the background.
But okay, 2010. 2010 one and
is it not the NBC government?
2010.
NBC government.
I'm over 2008.
Good.
NBC picked from
2009.
2000, yes.
It's 2009. Me see the records are there. You can cross check. Even this morning. Kwekubako wrote about it this morning.
Yeah, I saw that right up. I think
Moyi free Asantememu. Mo de Kotamale. Adentra. Mo adini no Asantemai and Semfata so Benya military hospital. It's not. No. Nkwantabisa.
It's good to give the history.
Why are you? It's me building a point. Me matie for ne hu say. NDC ni betena ha no wo kansem. Extra so one na dwene wo ho. The first question is say a day trimopo and no one tea almost Afari hospital or mu ye fra Santimemu and Akotamale. What was the morale behind that? Ebium mo dragi Ademo to and fro from Tamale to Accra and all that. It moved started in 2014. You delayed all the process. The original contract now cost $180 million. Now MPP are buying under Kufo. You secure the credit for the facility now. You delayed it in 2014. There had to be a renegotiation, and they eroded because between that years, and so there was an additional $19.3 million that was to be paid to the Erojet, and the MPP government came to pay that money. Ebiom, this was because of the delay you caught. Because now we say you project from 2008, but 2012 4 years now we say but you delayed and start in 2014.
But they said no question. So omo call Tamale Kra no Musa Ade Akye Abia Ashanti region hospital.
Let me land.
No, don't worry, we are consuming time. No, me my time. So
I'm coming. Let me land.
Because listeners have to come in.
So let me land. It's a buy in 2017. Not project among no. It was 40%. And the more catches a year, I know sorry. No more 40%. See, these are the projects from TV3. Most speculative. These are the projects from TV3 most speculative. Said it was 90%. But if you listen to the audio and the contractor, he never stated anywhere that the overall project was 90%.
Okay, a 50 crowd.
It was 40%. And now, we build the hospital from the 40% to 98% according to the record.
That's it. So what kind? Your point is
how did we get the hospital from 40% to the 98%?
0548931931 0551931931. But you interjected a lot. What common historical antecedent? Also time in so I then I'll go straight to your point. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. Major so open kese.
Edine sesai eguso e junior Baumia. Elwade, why you now?
Also, I nina.
Oh, Nakopo, when shall Honorable to Miss Wada was a pa. Mamencha you were a Santima Cooker, Mamencha you were came, and could you our bar, can say, should be organizer. And Mame Antoinette Fusuwachi, and also women's organizer, then a power, Manso de Bia. Not Minia, entrepreneur Cassasi and Sana Fakosi, Nakopo Shano. And a kind of Okano. Friend is in Ibi Kushi is new baby, and now TV so ready to be asked to see no catcher will say, any friend a pass until we just summer, who kind of go boy. You were good for the Baumia, any so I didn't know. Almost a year 4 interchange, I was swimming, a swam, run about. Omba was saying, you two another 3 almost on Moyama. It is the air no account, yet I said, you said, you Procrassi the end, yet in Sibi. What I say, I sent you again there, just a 10 piano, and let me be an answer for that, and I'm the buying. You do maybe almost the learning centers, a called Ghana. The whole Ghana population, I sent you again, it's come to Accra, Greater Accra. Roma, Greater Accra, 27. I sent you Roma, just 3. Whatever, Roma, 14. I sent you the population, Roma, 3. Uber Jacka and say, yeah, what was Santa Region? Who was Santa Region population? What?
May I say thank you, Junior Babia. Hello, good morning.
Nana Nkwantabisa, the longest live.
The only taxi driver in the world.
Myself, but the word driver for Jackson is okay. I could say what taxi driver. Nana, Namisha, who's Bempa, or your income man who is here so. And then I found my cooker, I catch him. I want to me, regional chairman incoming. Na me kura na nka me fra me be politics won say blaster no ya nka me be ka blaster to ya na NDC na ka so ma che say me bote won say NDC the new one and through international president mama pra be ka through campaign ye den talk akra na no kra akra na ye nti no na NDC fo na nam sa how so be gina fi decate you ka say MPP ba ba mu ade omo ye wa Asante region ha and for so be ama Asante region. That's all yes I know what did you party mo. Share at the papa be wo Asante man temano. NDC. Emu sign na maye. Ni na MPP na ye o. Share in the year regional minister man ko like draw nanane amanofo enwono. Eno kufu am be side setting ni na anga mu bituma ko draw. Share your friends regional your friends mineral commissioner nana danko kufu siwa mobile munko ye na hwe no eno enye asantiment ma dis yana she friends Kumasi International Airport kama fefa yakufu ado ye ne kama eno enye asantiment na wana ana say asantiment benefit it is obegina fidikesi so now can say MPP be ade na asantiment nya so faso in fact what did the asanti atem ni kwa say nka we sa it is mu ka say yi na mo mo da asantiment mo esremu a munya bu biblibe ye de na makwa na o amwe ko tin page ni say mu na mo da asantiment wana ka kire mo ye asantifo di ni mu say mu ni do ba kura mai da be ko no mo yi flag bearer o ye asantini
me da say thank you so much but me use a message here mo bo mechi oyibo bu atin atwuma ne behin if the government have any criminal evidence against Ken Ofori-Atta, they should gather their evidence and go to court. We are tired of the commentaries. Hi to Chairman Odino Kwakwapia Kuka Honorable Amwa Wuku Michael Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary Hofu and Shelley Cheitiwa MP Achumanwa Bieja South Oyibo Atin DNA. I'm wishing you live from Kwame Danso from OB4. Keep it up. OB4. Who said I consider strong Kwame Danso. Dutch MP. The 2028 election would be pivotal to the country's economic recovery and long-term stability. Let's unite behind His Excellency Dr. Bawumia deliver a resounding victory that will not only strengthen the party but also provide the leadership needed to move Ghana forward. Because NDC has nothing good to offer. Hashtag Bawumia Beba 2028. Regards to Honorable Sampai, National Affairs Vice Chairman Hofu. Now Sampai. Oba five. I'm going to Oba you. Okay. Good morning to you all. Watching you live from Abra Dunkwa. Echa Abra Dunkwa Fujina. Filippo Kwabrinka say Master Dan Bruka Kente Thread Shop. Kente Thread Shop. Ghana must unite and win tonight against Panama. Greetings to my daughter from Paul Manson, Felix, and my mother, Auntie Mary of Genesoso. Thank you. Maminya, we know so tentem na MC Arionko. Happy birthday, Mami Tiwa. Mostly called Mami T from your parents, Adusi and Nancy. So, and Mommy, Nancy, and Daddy, Adusi says they loves you so much. Mami T. O Mami no papa do, mu say Nyamin sha maun. Say nyini beye penyin kesiye, de beye penyin pa. Happy birthday, Mami Tiwa. And happy birthday, Mary Apia, Oba Sima, Oba Mary. A glorious birthday, beautiful one. A powerful soul, a beautiful soul was born today. And today marks a very new beginning on another grounds for you to take. Happy birthday, Oba Mary. Nyami show, Norman and Humo Broncoso, Enye Kesebon. Carnation and say, oh, yeah, special. And happy birthday to you. And happy birthday, so Koma Al Hassan and Fuseina. Al Hassan and Fuseina Sapon. Why are they twins? Beloved twins of Madame Hajara Musa, former NPP Regional Women's Organizer. Oh, okay. Okay. May your new age bring you good health, happiness, success, and Allah's abundant blessing. Wishing you both joyful celebration and many more fruitful years ahead. And more special because Mommy is a strong woman. Mommy said, "Nay, Alhassa, and if we say na, or Mamo, and fear be or saying, I may say, on for Mufra Dum Quadum, Alan Coso, our mom, Hobine. Happy birthday, beautiful twins." A happy birthday, son, comma Nana Safo from your father, Alexander Frimpong, a worker at Kumawuman Rural Bank. And o papa, Yera Alexander Frimpong, say Odopa, no say Yamisha Mount, say Nana Safo, Bema Safo, Ninibe Penikesi, the papa went to my Obeya Chakra. And happy birthday, future champ. Enjoy this day. A happy birthday to Icing Cotino. Icing Cotino. Next of a sports power. Icing Cotino. Wonderful player power. Obehu Bobo Mihen and Nimna. Oya Bonkuma. Happy birthday, Cotino. Yes, saying Uncle Ponsha Mount. When you saw a day in a papa in a Yaman and Rem. Yaman from Fradum Quadum champion. Happy birthday. I say, happy birthday to Mr. Joseph Mensah, Pro Tour National Vice Chairman and Ashanti Regional Pro Tour Chairman, from your daughter Esther. Chairman Joseph, Chairman Mensah, happy birthday to you. Nyame mo mfie bebre, nyame ntre wa hiem, nyame a onim de ntu odo ba wiase no. Omani nyina amre mansa na wa frim. Oja frim seze o. You will show a very long life and prosperity. Oba Esther so ododo osi ejamu nyina atese wa kaya mrehu ejapa. Happy birthday. All right, Joseph Mensah. On that note, yamfa sumni nyina emre asumni nyina emre wiye. Gentlemen, thank you so much. There also me interacting na mama any time. No se man ye fe. Di na ka ho na ye de. Jamisha amse mo bae. Na ene John, o hwa Ghana be hye.
Well, Ghana Berry goes, but
okay.
Ghana Berry. It's a must win.
Okay.
It's a must win. Yeah. Name Adikaka. Say Ghana the 5 points and I qualify from the group.
Hey, 5 points like how? Yeah. Okay, draw back.
Okay. No, Oberwin
one. No, draw me. Okay. Me that say. General, Ghana ball match in there.
Well,
member soon sports for time.
Yes, of course. Me discuss it BIBM. Anyway, we a national assignment. Yeah, bomb pay tell much. He said BIBM because so more near. And I didn't about my name. Said I want to woman of my yeah. Well, of course, that show my worry.
Hey, Nipanyo. Oh, pass. Okay, Yami Shamu. Sir, Mobile, na Samuel Sports for Etna said the Ember himself, the powers man. And a pair with Jinem, the kind of say, what can you go idea? na prince ni one a wɔkeka ni nyinaa mebɔ blaster ma bɔ black power ember power wa adwe o guess nyinaa guess nyinaa work we bole teacher no bole teacher ndio obi bole teacher ndio obi a krachi obi a to ti ase a wote ase ade na mo ka ho asɛm o wa ka obi ti said the shape ti bia sa na work there ne ti.